Today we are going to make an Eiffel Tower. These are the pieces for that. Now we are going to put hot glue in the gaps to join the base to the first platform. After putting hot glue in all of the gaps, this is our strong base ready. Now we are going to join the second layer. After joining all the sides, now we are going to put the second base. Now we are going to put the hot glue in the gaps. Now our second layer is ready. Now we are going to make the summit layer of the Eiffel Tower. Now we have added the summit layer. Now we are going to put some hot glue to make it strong. Now we have put the banquet for the second floor. And now we are going to go. Now our Eiffel Tower is ready. Hooray!